Ever walked into a mess and instantly knew how to fix it? That's the power of consulting. If you've got expertise and a drive to solve problems, this is your fast track to building a consulting business. Consulting is all about providing expert advice to help others improve, grow, or change. Whether it's tech, healthcare, or strategy, your insights become your product. And the demand? It's everywhere. Pick a niche that aligns with your strengths and market needs. Specializing in areas like IT, marketing, or finance helps you stand out. Remember, clarity attracts clients. Great consultants are lifelong learners. Hone your analytical thinking, communication, and project management skills. Specialized in an area but versatile to examine situations holistically makes you more valuable. Start where you are. Freelance gigs, volunteer roles, or firm apprenticeships build your credibility. Every project is a stepping stone to bigger opportunities. Degrees aren't mandatory, but they help. Certifications like PMP or Lean Six Sigma boost your trust factor. Clients want proof you know your stuff. Your brand is your business card. Launch a website, share insights, and speak at events. Visibility builds authority, and authority builds trust. Consulting thrives on relationships. Network strategically and set up your business legally. Whether you freelance or start a firm, structure matters. Clients pay for results. Use frameworks like Lean or Six Sigma to deliver measurable impact. Happy clients lead to referrals, and that's how you scale. Success starts with mindset. Stay lean, stay focused, and plan for the long haul. These books, Company of One and Consulting Success, are your guides to building a business that lasts. Ready to become a consultant? Please like, subscribe, comment, and join us daily for a new video. We are here for independent consultants and contractors. Start your journey today. Your expertise deserves a business.